In this video, we'll show you how to change the sway bar bushings on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford F-150 safely. You need to remove the upper ball joints of the sway bar end links from the sway bar. The end link connects the sway bar to the lower control arms to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Use an 18mm wrench to keep the ball joint from rotating. Then, using another 18mm spanner, unscrew the nut on the upper ball joint. Do the same on the other side. Lift the sway bar. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Brush the metal bracket retaining nuts and spray them with penetrating oil. Using a ratchet and a long 15mm socket, unscrew the two sway bar bracket retaining bolts. Then remove the metal bracket. Remove the bushing. Clean the contact surface between the bushings and the body. Also, clean the sway bar with a wire brush or abrasive sponge. Then, apply silicone grease to the parts that will be in contact with the bushings. You can order the parts used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Install the new bushing. Then, screw the metal bracket back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Put the sway bar back in place. Screw the nut of the upper ball joint of the sway bar end link back on. Block the rotation of the holding nut with an 18mm wrench. Tighten the nuts with the torque wrench. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.